Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets, it doesn't prescribe what to eat, but rather when to eat. This approach has gained popularity for its potential health benefits and simplicity. How does intermittent fasting work? In fasting period. During fasting, your body doesn't consume calories. This allows insulin levels to drop, prompting your body to access stored fat for energy. The body shifts from burning glucose, sugar, to burning fat, a state known as ketosis. In eating window, during eating periods, you consume your daily calories. There's often no restriction on food choices, though a balanced diet enhances benefits. In this video, we're going to tell you some common methods of intermittent fasting and their benefits. 1. 16 to 8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat from noon to 8 p.m. 2. 5 to 2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calorie intake to about 500 to 600 on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Eat stop eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. 4. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day, either completely or with a very low calorie intake. 5. Warrior diet. Eat small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and a large meal in the evening. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Improved insulin sensitivity. Can lower blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. Cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, where cells remove damaged components. Heart health. May improve cholesterol levels and reduce markers of inflammation. Brain health. Increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports brain health. And, of course, we can't forget about the big one, weight loss. Helps reduce calorie intake and promotes fat burning. Longevity. Some studies suggest fasting can extend lifespan. Start slow and gradually increase your fasting window to give your body time to adjust and, most importantly, listen to your body. If you're feeling lightheaded or unwell, break your fast and consult with your doctor. So, there you have it, guys, the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. We have covered the ins and outs, the benefits, and how to get started. Remember, this isn't about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable changes for a healthier, happier you. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest questions about intermittent fasting? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more awesome health and wellness tips.